Great. In today's video, we have a customer complaint for a blower motor being excessively loud. So we're going to go ahead and see what's going on with it, do a tear down. So this is going to be a little partial video. I'm not going to do a full-on detailed video like how I normally do. So, but I will tell you what bolts I do take off. I'm just not going to show you how I take them off. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we're going to go ahead and start this video right after the intro. Now, the reason why I'm not going to show it pretty detailed is just because got a lot of stuff going on today and we need to knock this out as fast as possible. So I will show you the complaint. So we'll just put the key on the on position, and then once we turn on the blower motor, let's get that one more time. So you can hear that, but it does get worse than others. So I'm suspecting, so you can hear that, and then you can feel the dash vibrate too as well. So, but again, I'm suspecting there's something in the blower motor. So let's go ahead and start tearing it apart. We're going to access it from the passenger side. All right, so now that we got our two bolts off, so we got 110, and then right over here we have another 10mm bolt. Just be careful when you do drop this piece down that you don't pull this too hard, because I believe this was a cigarette lighter. So now that we got that, you're just gonna pry right down right here, and it should just pull. And then right there, there's a little cigarette lighter, so just be careful with that. Sometimes they pop out, but sometimes they don't. Now that we got this loosened, we're just gonna pull this back. Oh, this is the piece that's gonna actually stay. Let's see. You can just kind of pull back on the tab. Shouldn't be stuck on there too tight. And then just pull that towards that way. So we got a couple bolts that we need to take off, and then we're going to take off our connector. So we're going to take off the one with the 3-pin and just press on this little tab. It's actually right here. Oh, that's not it. Is it? Yeah, that is it. All right, so what you have to do is, best way to do is either stick your finger like down right here, or you could put like a screwdriver, but you have to get that tab to go down, and that's what we're trying to do. All right, now that we got that off, we have a couple of Torx bits that we need to take off. And so basically the ones that we're going to be taking off is the one with the long arms. So there's going to be 3 in total. So we got 1, 2, and then here's the third one. So again, so you see, so we got 1, 2, and then the third one's right over here. You don't need to take off this little unit. That'll all come out together, and it's going to be a Torx bit 20. So the little star. So it's going to say T20. All right, so as we take that off, we should be dropping this. And what do we have here? So we have a sticker. So with that sticker being there, that can change the balance. And then we have, oh, this will definitely do it. This will change the balance on that. So the motor seems fine, and I don't see an issue with it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So I have this connected, and then you kind of want to hold it with one hand while you turn on the car. So it feels great. I don't feel any vibration. So problem was going to be that little clip. Just this little piece right here literally caused the whole vibration. So that is good to go. This piece right here, This is a resistor, a blower motor resistor. So this will change the fan speed on that. So it's just used by resistance. Other than that, you're just going to kind of reverse the order, put it all back together. If you want, you can wipe down the area and so forth. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching. So now that we got the unit installed back in, so what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to make sure we don't got any more vibrations. So let's go ahead and turn the fan. And you see how much more quiet that is? What a night and day difference. So simple fix that could save you hundreds of dollars. I think the dealership was trying to quote, I think it was like $800 or $900 with that. So easy fix, simple, save the customer some money, and call it a day. So, all right, on to the next job. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.